Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll down to the very bottom almost and tap on backup and reset. And as you can see here we've got personal data and at the very top of this list of this section we've got DRM reset, so simply tap on it again here. And your device will inform you that this operation will delete all the licenses on this device. So if you want to continue, just tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset digital rights management in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.